So Spa in the GR86, I've qualified second, although the guy on pole is almost a second quicker, so I don't know if we're going to be able to keep up. But anyway, we're coming around to the start, so I think he's going to go as soon as we get around this corner. That's what I would do.
Post car is off, time to do your job.
And he's off. So, question is... Oh, I've lost that, haven't I? Bloody hell. Made a mess of that. Okay, well, we just need to try and keep in a slipstream, really, if we can. Not get taken out on this corner by optimistic dives. So we've got a slipstream from Andre ahead. So if we can keep with that. Obviously it's dark, as we can see. I'm wondering if this guy's jumped the start. Because he's going slow through here. I wonder if he's got a slowdown. Maybe, maybe not. Anyway, let's see if we can all keep with the leader. He's just going to try and run away and hide, I'd imagine. This car's just so slow on this track. It's such a long straight. We've got half decent pace around here, I think. As you can see, now I had a problem here in the fixed Ferrari, didn't I? So I don't want to do that again.
Car on your left. The next car's the leader. Clear.
Okay. We got through. So can we keep with the leader? 0.9 behind. We can just keep with him. I think we're going to have a decent race. Tyres are a little bit cold. We're with him, aren't we? Yeah, I think so. I think we've dropped the guys behind. This is going to be a two-horse race, I think. As long as I don't make a mistake. The question is, can I put him under enough pressure for him to make an error? Because getting past is going to be pretty difficult, I think. Even with a slipstream. He was like I say, he was a second quicker than me in qualifying. He's susceptible to pressure though, isn't he? He's susceptible to pressure.
Car right. 51.494. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Clear.
Now, the problem with this is we're going to encourage others to overtake us, so I don't want to battle too hard. He's protecting his slipstream. We've got quite a drive up here, haven't we? Is it enough? Maybe. Well, let's go for it, I think.
Right.
Okay, we're going to go for it. See what we can do.
Hold your line. Clear on the right.
Outbraked him. And then he's got the slipstream, so let's see how long we can stay ahead for. I'm not expecting to get away. Like I say, he was quicker than me in qualifying. We're doing okay, aren't we? Decent lap. Well, we've got a bit of a gap here. I'm not surprised, not sure how.
10 minutes to go.
So we've got 0.8 of a gap, which is a bit of a surprise. And you should close in now, I'd have thought. Just don't want to tense up. I want to just drive my race, relax, do my best. It's closing in a bit. God, I nearly went over then. Oh my God, how did that happen?
Left side. Still there, hold your line.
What the hell?
Clear on the left.
How did I do that?
59.35.
Jeez. Well, what was I saying? I just want to drive my own race, be sensible, and I completely messed it up. I don't know if we're going to catch him up now. What a mess. What an absolute idiot. I don't know if these guys behind closing in now as well, aren't I? I'm going to keep the inside. It's the only way I'm going to make it, I think. Got to protect my inside. Although, I might come to the outside. Okay, well, let's regroup. Oh, God, fourth. Okay, so it's not too bad. Well, I thought I was going over then. Thought I was going to roll it. I've never had that before. I must have caught the curb just at the wrong point. Can I catch anyone ahead? I need 1 and 2 to battle now.
There's an incident behind.
Somebody's crashed behind. So I might get this guy ahead. Let's see. How far behind are we? 4 seconds, bloody hell. I struggle to close that down. But we'll do our best. Yeah, I don't know what I did. I was all over the place.
One, just set the fastest lap. 49.685, 51.462. New fastest lap for you.
Okay. So annoying. So 4.1 still. Okay, so he was doing 51.8s, that guy ahead. If I can get into the low 50s, I might catch him. Let's see. quicker this time around there.
Five minutes to go.
Well, I've made a right mess of this, haven't I? 5 minutes to go. I'm still 4 seconds behind this guy. I'm miles behind. Okay. Three and a half seconds behind, so I'm closing up a little bit. So maybe all is not lost, but there's probably only only 2 laps to go, I reckon. So I'm going to struggle to catch you, aren't I?
You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 3.1 seconds.
Okay, so I've taken the second out of him, have I? I've done a 50.4. He did a 51.3, so just under a second I've taken out of him. Three seconds behind. One and two still together. Still 3 seconds. I mean, there's no way to make up time on this bit really, because we'll just go in that out. It's the corners where the time is made.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 7.7 seconds.
Just made a bit of time here. Seem to be visibly closing, don't we? 2.4 behind now. So it might still be a podium. David, don't do that. It would have been the 49s otherwise. So 2.2 behind now. 1 lap to go, you reckon?
Last lap.
One lap to go, 2 seconds behind. What are the chances? I mean, if I can get in slipstream range,
8, 5, 4.
then I've got a chance.
Lap of the session. Car 10 is up the front.
He's gone very wide there, hasn't he? 1.5 seconds behind. Am I going quicker? Have I got slipstream? I think I might have. It's on. If I've got slipstream, it's on. I think I have. Look at the time coming down. I'm going to be on him. I'm going to be on him. Okay. There's a chance. It's a definite chance here. So we've got that long straight, haven't we? And then I can get him into the chicane. That's the plan. If not before.
Left side. Still there. Clear on the left.
That wasn't the plan. That wasn't the plan, but it's worked, so I'm going to take it. Now the trouble is, he's now got the... yeah, I accidentally changed gear and then changed back, and then before I knew it, I was off the track. So I'm going to have to, what, defend the inside, or do we reckon? I think I'm going to defend the inside. I don't think he's going to brake as late as me. No, I don't need to defend the inside.
Car right. Keep to the left. Clear on the right. Car stop on the right.
Have I got him? I think I have. Oh, good race. Good race. Well, shame I went off.
It's checkered flag.
But apart from that, good race. Anyway, let's have a look at the results and the incidents. We'll just watch the start because I made a right mess of this. I didn't get away. So I thought I was too far ahead, and then the guy behind just got me, didn't he? And that was it. I guess I was lucky to get back past him. But anyway, let's have a look at the incidents then. So what's this then? Typical... Oh, well, it's just not paying attention, is it? And then what have we got here? So I went up the inside, so I was lucky there. Oh, they came together. And he went off. Oh dear. And then what have we got? Yeah, they pick up the wheels, don't they? They do pick them up. Okay, now what? Gosh, yeah. That's what I did, wasn't it? That's it. Let's have a look at my incident then, because it didn't show up there. Here we come then. So yeah, did I hit the curb? Oh, it just went up, didn't it? Blimey. God, I was lucky there. Okay, well, that'll make a good thumbnail anyway. Let's have a look at the results. Here we go then. So that was second split out of 3. Managed to get a good bit of safety ratings. That's good. I got above 1. I'm into the 2s again now. Nice bit of I rating change as well. So that was quite good. Lap time wise, 2:49.6 was the fastest. I was there. I could have got a 2:49, but kept having those off tracks. So I was there or thereabouts. Pleased I got past Philip, although not in the way I'd expected to. But anyway. Yeah, happy with that. It's a good race. Enjoyed that. It's slow cars on a fast track can make for good racing. Disappointed I wasn't up with these two, but that's racing. Made a mistake. Paid the price. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.